welcome to BK Technologies. I'm Diane, and today I'd like to introduce you to our new single-band portable radio, the BKR5000. First up is our single-bay charger. This charger is an intelligent charger, and it will come with the AC adapter. Next is our battery. The battery has 4,900 milliamp hours. After you take the battery out of the box, make sure you read the instructions on the inside. They say, important, read first. It is important to charge the battery fully before using. If the battery gauge doesn't appear at first to report the battery level accurately, it will after a few charge-discharge cycles. Next, we have our remote speaker mic. We've redesigned our remote speaker mic to have a larger emergency button, a programmable button on the top of it, and a more tactile push-to-talk button.
While we wait for the battery to fully charge per the instructions on the inside of the box, here's a closer look at our new RSM.
Now that the battery's fully charged, let's move on to the moment you've been waiting for, the BKR5000. We've redesigned the antenna port to be female to male, and we've added a collar around the base of the antenna to protect it. We've also redesigned the emergency button, and we've made it larger and recessed. Our push-to-talk button is more tactile. We've also added on a top display and a 4-position collar switch. It will also come with all of the features and quality that you've come to know and love from BK Technologies.
And finally, here's an up-close look at the BKR5000.